Given f(x) is a rational function, 3 divided by x minus 1. Find limit of f(x) when x approaching to 1 to the right hand side. Let's start now. At x equals to 1, f1 equals to 3 divided by 1 minus 1, which is equals to 3 divided by 0, which is undefined. But somehow we still can study this function at x equals to 1. From the left hand side and right hand side. X equals to 1 is called as vertical asymptote. When x approaching asymptote, vertical asymptote from the left and from the right, the graph will either approach to positive infinity or negative infinity. Let's determine which one. We start from limit. When x approaching to 1 left hand side, we start from right hand side first. 3 divided by x minus 1. The answer will be positive or negative infinity. Let's determine its the sign. So it's sufficient. We substitute a value from 1 from the right hand side. Maybe we can try 1.1. At 1.1, substitute 1.1 into x. 3 divided by 1.1 minus 1. This is point. 3 is positive. 1.1 minus 1 is a positive also. So positive divided by positive is positive. This is positive infinity. Let's continue. Find the limit of f(x) when x approaching 1 from the left hand side. So now from the left hand side. So left hand side we can substitute 0.9. The answer will always positive. We have to determine the sign, whether it's positive. The answer is always infinity. We are going to determine the sign. We can substitute 0.9. 0.9 minus 1 is equals to 3 is positive. 0.9 minus 1 is negative. Positive divided by negative is negative. So it's negative infinity. If from the graph, this is one right hand side is positive infinity, and the one left hand side approach to negative infinity. Finally, we answer the question. Find the limit f(x) when x approaching to 1. So since we say since limit x to 1 positive does not equal to limit x to 1 left hand side, then move towards opposite direction. One is positive infinity, one is negative infinity. Therefore, we say limit x to 1 does not exist.